Kutch, a beacon of culture, courage and entrepreneurship, significantly shapes Gujarat's unique cultural identity. Deen Dayal Port, Kandla, is India's #1 major port, plays a pivotal role in import-export activities, fueling trade and regional growth. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India aspires to become a global economic leader through initiatives like Sagarmala program by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, a significant effort towards port-led industrialization.
सागरमाला प्रोजेक्ट के तहत आज देश भर में 500 से ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट्स पर काम चल रहा है.
Deen Dayal Port has consistently led in traffic throughput for the past 16 years. DPA handled traffic of 137.56 MMTPA during year 2022-23, with a multifaceted strategy aligned with PM Modi's Maritime India Vision 2030. The port aims to be the most economical, sustainable, eco-friendly and modern major port, focusing on delivering cost-effective and efficient services. In line with PM's Gati Shakti, DPA is executing projects to enhance multimodal connectivity, striving for a balance between cargo and ship requirements and the broader needs of the country. The port operates 16 dry cargo berths, an offshore terminal, and 7 oil jetties, providing a competitive edge with extensive storage capacity. Its strategic location makes it the nearest port for North and Central West India. Enhancing its appeal, the port's connectivity to the Middle East and European nations catalyzes exports and imports across 7 states in India, ensuring uninterrupted operations throughout the year. Deen Dayal Port has received accolades from the International Maritime Organization for being the best seafarers port. Beyond maritime functions, the port enhances the experience of anchored crew members by offering shopping and internet services. Security is a priority with ISPS compliance, continuous CISF cover, and navigational buoys ensuring round-the-clock navigation. Deen Dayal Port has implemented a world-class RFID gate automation system and installed more than 500 CCTV to cover apparatus and the entire port. The port maintains a transparent pricing policy, offering one of the lowest costs per ton among all Indian ports. Social responsibility is evident in the well-planned housing colony with amenities. And the port's crown includes offshore oil terminal facilities at Wadinar, contributing to a pioneering single buoy mooring capacity exceeding 80 MMTPT. In a historic event, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated the Ro-Ro project in Gujarat, connecting Gokha and the old port of Hazira, a commercial greenfield port. This 60-kilometer route drastically reduces travel time to Surat, cutting down the conventional 400-kilometer land route. Minister Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated various infrastructure and capacity-enhancing projects at Kandla, including Oil Jetty No. 7, dome-shaped storage sheds, a parking plaza for trucks and vehicles, and modernization of the pipeline network in Oil Jetty area. Deen Dayal Port Authority invested ₹73.92 crores in enhancing liquid handling capacity by developing Oil Jetty No. 7. This T-shaped jetty, measuring 110 meter in length and 12.40 meter in breadth, is designed for large vessels up to 65,000 DWT with a depth of 13 meter, having capacity of 2 MMTPT, focusing on edible oil and meeting hinterland liquid cargo needs. Oil Jetty No. 8 construction is underway at Kandla to minimize waiting times for liquid cargo vessels. The goal is to boost capacity by 3.5 MMTPA. Tuna Tekra, a prime spot for satellite port expansion, currently hosts a PPP dry bulk terminal with a 14 MMTPA capacity, featuring 4 deep draft berths with a 15.5 meter depth. Deen Dayal Port Authority is developing a state-of-the-art mega container terminal at Tuna Tekra, Kandla, secured through a 30-year PPP agreement with a groundbreaking Rs 4,243.64 crore investment. Hindustan Gateway Container Terminal, Kandla Private Limited, DP World, won the concession in January 2023. To be constructed on a bought basis, the Tuna Tekra Mega Container Terminals Concession Agreement, signed on 25th August 2023, sets a record royalty of Rs 6,500 per TEU, highest bid ever received in a PPP project. The terminal, operational by early 2027, will feature a 1,100-meter berth for vessels up to 18,000 TEUs, providing an annual capacity of 2.19 million TEUs without tide-related delays. Deen Dayal Port has successfully constructed a world-class road-over bridge (ROB) at Kandla, LC 236, to enhance traffic flow and expedite cargo evacuation from cargo berth number 1 to 16. The main ROB, spanning 615 meters with 6 lanes, and the loop line ROB enhance infrastructure. The third arm ROB incorporates vehicular underpasses and is tailored for the movement of loaded double-stack containers along electrified routes from Kandla. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways has strategically identified Deen Dayal Port and 2 other major ports for a green hydrogen hub at the Global Maritime India Summit 2023. 13 developers have signed MOUs totaling 1.45 lakh crores Indian rupees, underlining strong momentum. As the auction for a 3,600-acre land progresses with 69 bids, India is poised for a transformative leap into a sustainable and innovative energy future. Deen Dayal Port Authority, Samudra se Samriddhi ki or.